50 NATO warships moved to the Russian border. High activity of naval groupings of NATO member states is seen. As is well known, currently about 50 warships of various types are deployed near the Russian border, which, given the current relationship of NATO and Russia, raises some doubts that the alliance will be really busy to the exercises. Currently, it is known that we are talking about conducting a large-scale Cold Response 2022 exercise, which the North Atlantic Alliance had previously announced. Distract Russia. About 30,000 troops, 1,000 aircraft and 200 ships from 50 countries will take part in Exercise Cold Response, the largest exercise involving NATO forces this year. The maneuver, which begins in March 2022, will allow Western countries to hone their combat skills in Norway's cold climate, including in the Arctic, on land, at sea and in the sky. The exercise will take place only a few hundred kilometers from the Russian border. This exercise is very important for the security of Norway and its allies. We will work on the reinforcements of the Norwegian ally, said Norwegian Defense Minister Odd Roger Enoksen. The exercise was not held because of the situation in Ukraine, but against a backdrop in recent times. This exercise has increased in significance, he said. Reports the publication, France 24. At the moment, it is still unknown how the state defense departments will react to NATO exercises near the Russian border. However, it is likely that the alliance's actions will be closely monitored, and provocations will be suppressed.